Let's explore C++ package management and how to manage dependencies with modern package managers. Here are some popular package managers: vcpkg and Conan. Now let's discuss why we need package managers. Without package managers, managing C++ dependencies can be challenging. You might face issues such as manual dependency management, which is error-prone. You may encounter dependency conflicts and cross-platform build inconsistencies. Setting up and configuring libraries can be time-consuming, and you could be exposed to security vulnerabilities from outdated libraries. Package managers can resolve these challenges. They provide automated dependency resolution, consistent builds across platforms, version management, and conflict resolution. They offer easy integration with build systems, along with security updates and vulnerability tracking. Let's take a look at vcpkg, Microsoft's C++ package manager. It is an open-source tool maintained by Microsoft, with more than 1,900 available libraries. It supports cross-platform development on Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. It has excellent integration with Visual Studio and CMake. Here are some basic commands to use vcpkg. To install vcpkg, first clone the vcpkg repository from GitHub, then change the directory to vcpkg and run the bootstrap script. To install a package, use the command /vcpkg install, followed by the package name. To list installed packages, use the command /vcpkg list. Let's explore how to integrate vcpkg with CMake. In your CMake list.txt file, specify the minimum CMake version and project name. Include the vcpkg toolchain file by setting the CMake_file variable. Find packages using the find_package command, specifying the config and required attributes. Link libraries by adding an executable, and using the target_link_libraries command, specifying the library names. Now let's look at how to use installed libraries. In your main.cpp file, include the necessary headers from the installed libraries. Use the libraries in your code. Let's explore Conan, another popular C and C++ package manager. Conan is a decentralized and Python-based package manager that supports multiple platforms. It offers binary package management and supports multiple build systems. It also has the Conan Center repository. Here are some basic commands for using Conan. To install Conan, use pip install Conan. To check the installation, type Conan version. To search for a package, use the command Conan search, followed by the package name and remote Conan Center. To install a package, use the command Conan install, followed by the package version and generator. Now let's see how to integrate Conan with CMake. First, you need to create a Conan file.txt file to list the required packages and generators. To integrate Conan with CMake, you need to include Conan-generated files. Include the CMake list.txt file. Include the CMake_binary_r/Conan buildinfo, CMake file, and call the Conan_basic_setup function. Find packages using the find_package command and link libraries by adding an executable, and using the target_link_libraries command, using the Conan_libs variable. Let's see how to create custom packages using both vcpkg and Conan. For vcpkg, create a vcpkg.json file with the package name, version, description, and dependencies. Also create a portfile.cmake file, and use the vcpkg_from_GitHub function to specify the source repository and version. For Conan, create a conanfile.py file. Import Conan file and CMake from Conan and conan.tools.cmake respectively. Define a class that inherits from Conan file and specify the name, version, requirements, and generators. Override the build method to configure and build the package using CMake. Let's discuss some best practices for C++ package management. Always lock dependency versions in CI/CD pipelines. Regularly update dependencies for security reasons. Commit lock files to version control. Use private package repositories for proprietary code and document dependency requirements clearly. Here is a comparison of vcpkg versus Conan. vcpkg offers excellent integration with Visual Studio, while Conan provides advanced binary caching. Conan offers simpler package creation, while both vcpkg and Conan offer native CMake integration. vcpkg has a larger package count. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.